Ano na pa sa katungkulan? Ako si, magiging pangalan, nahalal bilang yung posisyon ng PTA, ng Federation PTA ng Ballesteros ay nanunumpa ng buong katapatan na aking gagampanan sa abot ng aking makakaya ang tungkulin na kaatang sa aking balita na ako'y nanghandang sumunod sa mga batas at panunungkulan ng aming organisasyon na ako'y magiging lingkuran ng aming organisasyon at kapwa kong opisyal sa oras ng pangangailangan at aking igagalang ang aking kapwa at membro. Ako'y nangangako na aking tatanggapin ang mga responsibilidad para sa katuparan ng mga layunin at hikain at misyon ng organisasyon kinabibilangan ko. Kasiyahan, nawa ako ng Diyos. Congratulations.
Is from now on. But with regards to the skills and the talents of the incoming officers, I know their leadership will contribute us in the development of the educational program in the district of Ballesteros. So, as the new leader in this, as of the Federation President, there are some policies that we would like to share and to be realized. First step that we want to do is to institutionalize the Federation President Association of the district as a one regular member of the local school board. This will be the first task that we'll be doing. Then as an harbinger, I will go and lobby with the mayor to seek for the importance of this activity, the institutionalization of the Federation President Association as a regular member of the local school board. Bakit po? Ang importansya po nito, at least makikita natin yung mga responsibilities, yung mga inahin, yung mga parents, ang mga kabataan. So, malaking bagay po ito if the Sangguniang Bayan and together with the mayor will amenable with this proposal. But initially, I've talked already with the mayor and sabi niya, no problem, we will do that for the benefit of the district of Ballesteros. Then we would like to perform the Federation President Association will be assured to perform some regulatory policy that support the educational program of the municipality. Masahan niyo po yun. Then, I would like to share with the group the importance of the cultural heritage of the Ballesteros. We will talk about that, kung ano po ang dapat gawin through the leadership of the new set of officers. What can we contribute in the promotion of the cultural heritage of the Ballesterians? And one thing more, this is a social responsibility that each and every one of us should do, is to make and advocate and create awareness of the importance of our natural resources through the coastal resource management. Yun po ang gusto po namin expand to tell the people na pinaka-importante po, because maybe 20 years from now, wala na po yung mga gawang dam, mga tanawin, the beach of Ballesteros. So sana po, with this kind of policies that will be telling you through the help of the new officers, yes, we will for the goodness of the Ballesteros. Maraming salamat po.